Hey there, John Henry here, ssftg, with a quick review on how I approached the release of Queens and new cities in general. First off, when going to a new city, it's important to know where to go and the schedule. Before the city releases, Upland always posts a release schedule and times at when things are going to launch, so make sure that you know those and write them down. I personally make a full list of launch times and areas of interest that I want to target, and any other info that I may need. Having a guide written up allows you to really focus in and stick to your plan. When navigating a new city release, the first thing that I like doing is going into the settings and turning off all of the unnecessary visuals and all of the settings that are going to slow my game down. So I'm going to go down. First off, I want to make sure I can see FSA markers, but I want to turn off other explorers, ownership celebrations, 3D objects, enhanced graphics, and anything that's going to slow me down. One of my favorite go-to strategies is minting and flipping on launch day release. The release days almost always have the values of normal properties that you can mint go up by 3 to 5x, if not more. As an example, this FSA property currently is mintable at 6720, but if I zoom out and I look at the broader market of what's going on here, the floor pricing at the moment's 11,600. That's effectively doubling every purchase that you're making. One of my absolute favorite properties that I picked up in the Queens launch actually comes in right here, and this is going to be this big boy. This is my Toyota dealership and repair shop. First off, it's really cool because it's got an awesome street view. You're actually inside of it. But also, with some of the research that I've done, because Queens is launching in vanilla mode, which means that we do not know what the collections are going to be until a week after the release of Queens, we have some speculation. And this is on Northern Boulevard, which I believe has the possibility of becoming a collection piece, making the value of this significantly higher.